So how did my Dakin heat pump perform over this very cold weather we've had at the beginning of January 2026? It was a very severe spell when temperatures dropped down to -6, but believe it or not, the Dakin heat pump managed to keep the house warm at about 20.5. This was a constant temperature held throughout the night and during the day. Fantastic. On a normal day, the heat pump uses about 1 kilowatt per hour. So that's 24 kilowatts in a day, which is very reasonable. But when the temperature drops below freezing, the heat pump then has to carry out defrosting cycles, roughly every 2 hours. So this starts to use a lot more electricity, but not a great amount. That is about 36 kilowatt hours per day. Here you can see the defrosting cycle in progress. My total energy bill of 169 was made up of my total energy costs less the income from my solar panels, which equates to a very small amount of £169 per year. So how did I achieve such a low energy bill for the year? I insulated the loft, I had new double glazing installed, I had a very good EPC, and I had solar panels installed and a heat pump installed. I had a battery installed, and of course you must make sure you go on the right tariff to get income from the solar panels. Why not visit a homeowner that has a heat pump near you? You can match your sort of property with a similar property and go and have an hour's chat with the owner, and it will certainly help you out in understanding heat pumps. There are of course some caveats that you must consider before going on this journey. First of all, I don't have any young daughters that shower every day. My solar panels face due south, so this optimises the energy that I produce. There was obviously a capital outlay before I went on this journey. The export tariff of 15p may not in fact last. You do need a smart meter, and of course it can be expensive if it's not set up correctly by the installers. That's most important. And of course there are generous grants up to £7,500 available to you.